Introducing New Highlights Puzzle Readers, a new interactive reading experience. Developed with reading experts, these stories and puzzles are seamlessly integrated so kids can read the story, solve the puzzles, then repeat again and again to build vocabulary and reading fluency while having fun. Highlights Puzzle Readers come in 2 distinct reading levels. The puzzles and story together helps all kinds of learners find an engaging and satisfying reading experience. Level 1 puzzle readers feature Nick and Knack. Nick loves to make things, Knack loves to find things. They make a good team. Young readers can help them by solving hidden pictures puzzles. The objects they find help Nick and Knack make a STEAM-based project that kids can try at home for hands-on learning. Level 1 readers are for children who can sound out letters and familiar syllables, read sight words, and solve less complex visual puzzles that support concentration and persistence. Level 2 puzzle readers feature Kit and Caboodle. Kit and Caboodle love to travel. Kit is an underpacker. Caboodle is an overpacker who always has what they need. Young readers can help them as they read the story by finding objects in each hidden pictures puzzle. The picture dictionary at the end of the story lists all the hidden objects, reinforcing vocabulary and encouraging rereading. Level 2 readers are for children who can read longer sentences more fluently and solve more complex puzzles that support vocabulary building and problem solving. Puzzles and stories together help all kinds of learners find a satisfactory and engaging reading experience. Highlights Puzzle Readers are available now, wherever books are sold. Hey parents! Find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.